Hey there, everybody. I hope you are having a fantastic Thursday. I realized I video when I do a video flip of one of these creative journals, a lot of times I encourage you to take out the papers because they can be reinserted back in the journal. So I wanted to show you how to do that really quickly before I start embellishing this book. A creative journal is really a fun book to interact with, So I talk about taking out pages. So let's just look here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, what a beautiful day. All right, we're just going to remove this, okay? So we're going to remove this, and I think we'll remove this. And then I think we'll remove, what else could we take out? Let's see. Let's just go ahead and remove this. I encourage you guys to do this because you can create your very own book by just taking out elements that are already in these signatures, making a book. It's a great way to make cards. It's a great way to use these books for mixed media. The cool thing is, after you've done that, you can reinsert the items that you took out, okay? So there we go. Let's do that again. Let's flip to this signature. And I think what I'd like to do is, let's say that I want to make my own book. We've talked about that's one of the ways to use a journal like this. So I think I'm going to use this for the cover. I think that I'd like to use this as a part of my book. And maybe this nice graph paper would make a good book. And maybe this gorgeous piece of vintage Ellis Rational Speller. I don't even know what year this is. One of these things, they'll always have like little notes on the inside, and I really do love that. All right, so let's say that this is the basis for a book that we are going to make. Maybe this is a dream journal. Maybe this is a book that you want to take on a trip, on a travel. Maybe this is a book of positive aspects. Maybe this is a gratitude journal or whatever. So, make your own book, and then make your own book. And by golly, you can just stick it in a pocket. I'm going to put these back. Again, just kind of demoing how to take pages in and out of your books. The reason that I'm showing you this before I embellish it, y'all, is because I use, of course, paper clips to, I can't do all this at one time. I use paper clips for the creative clusters and creative collections that I put in these books. And when I am flipping through these to show them to y'all, I can't remove the pages because they have paper clips on them. So I would have to remove the paper clips, remove the creative cluster, remove the creative kit and everything like that in order to show you that way of moving pages in and out of your books. These are wrap bound, right? So, let's suppose we wanted to do a round robin, and we're just going to take out a whole signature, just like that, and we're going to send this to someone, and they are going to work in this book, and then they're going to send it back to you in the mail. Or maybe you have a local, maybe your neighbor likes to do art, and you can just pass this back and forth, and you can really build a friendship journal out of it. All right, let's put this back in. We just have to kind of lift up on the string because these are wrap bound, and then we just reinsert it back into the book. I really appreciate the support that you guys are giving these new journals. A lot of things have changed for me lately, and I really do appreciate you guys supporting not just the channel but the Etsy store and my Patreon as well. I hope this will help you get the very most out of your creative journals. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all, today, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.